Surgery and Spa MD.
We are here at 22 Plastic Surgery and Spa MD, and we are so excited because we are going to talk to Reuben and Dr. Neal Moores about everything they have to offer. Both of you, thank you so much for letting us come in.
Yeah, thanks for having us.
Well, first of all, this place is absolutely stunning. You come in and you're immediately like, oh my word, this place is gorgeous. Let's talk about some of your most popular procedures and treatments that you do here.
Yeah, so we do the full range of aesthetic plastic surgery, really from head to toe. We do a lot of facial aesthetics, including facelifts, volume restoration with fat grafting, also with fillers. We do full body, breast, tummy. So really the full gamut of aesthetic plastic surgery for our patients.
So if you're looking to get something done, this is the place to go. All right, Dr. Moores, let's talk about the rising popularity of hair restoration.
So hair restoration is changing rapidly. Lots happened in the last 5 to 7 years. You know, people know hair restoration sort of as hair plugs, and things are changing rapidly in terms of the size of grafted hairs in our procedures. And now we're transplanting hairs that are like 1 follicle, 2 follicles, and it's indistinguishable from natural hair.
All right, so you guys actually use a machine. It's kind of like a robot, the ARTAS, is that correct? How does it work?
Yeah, so robot technology has been around for a long time, but it's really come into play now for hair restoration. So the robot maps the entire scalp, and it tells us exactly which follicles are the ideal follicles to remove, because we don't want to create a bare area where we borrow the hair from. We've also moved away from the traditional strip method, which is to make a big linear scar on the back of the scalp.
Okay.
So if people, for example, have progressive hair loss, they don't want a big scar on the back of their head. If they wear a really high and tight haircut, they don't want to have a scar that's visible. So this robot individually removes each of those follicles, as Dr. Moores was saying, and then allows us to precisely remove it with the right amount of tissue to support it, and allows us the best opportunity to graft those for living hair follicles in a new location.
My jaw was like dropped because that sounds so amazing. Okay, Dr. Moores, what kind of patients are getting this treatment?
Well, actually both men and women. The treatment paradigm is a little bit different for each, but ideally it would be someone with male pattern hair loss, but that happens to both men and women, recession of the frontal hairline, or even hair loss on the crown. People just looking to have a little bit of thickening of their existing hairline, or to have their hairline brought down. Really, we can do almost anything.
There you go. All right, Kate, this is one of my final questions. How have you seen people who have come in and get this treatment? How have you seen patients' kind of confidence change?
Oh yeah, dramatically. I mean, it's a huge thing, especially for men who have lost hair in the front. They look older, they feel older. So restoring that hairline provides a more youthful appearance, a lot more confidence, in their day-to-day activities, in even some of their business ventures. They just feel a lot more confident with a full head of hair.
Well, you guys are in the business of giving people their confidence back. I think that is absolutely beautiful. Both of you, thank you so much for letting us stop by your beautiful offices today. And for those of you who are curious, they have a special offer. So give them a call or check out the website at the bottom of your screen. Both of you, thanks so much again.
Thanks
very much.